If you've got a 5th gen 4Runner and you're tired of the same old taillight options, look no further than the all-new Vector taillights from Yota Xpedition. Designed to give your 5th gen 4Runner a modern look with serious 6th gen 4Runner vibes. With a flat lens design, a smoked finish, and a blacked out housing, these lights deliver a clean, aggressive style that stands out. You also get sequential turn signals, adding a premium touch that looks just as good on the road as it does in the driveway. One of the standout features is the startup sequence. It gives the truck a high-end feel every time you turn it on. And if that's not your thing, you can always disable it. These lights fit all 4Runners from 2010 to 2024, and installation is quick and easy. 2 nuts, 1 plug, and you're done. They're DOT and SAE compliant, and also backed by a 2-year warranty. These lights are built to last. If you want your 5th gen 4Runner to look newer, stand out from the crowd, and upgrade the rear end the right way, the Vector taillights are the move. Available only at Yota Xpedition.